Tired of complicated payment gateways and clunky integrations slowing down your online business? Then get ready to unlock a world of seamless transactions, because today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Square payments to your WordPress website, step by step. First, you will need to log into your WordPress account. Then from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugin section. On the left-hand menu, click on Add New to search for a new plugin. Now, in the search bar, type Square Payments. Look for the official Square Payments plugin, usually identifiable by the Square logo. Click Install Now and then activate the plugin once the installation is complete. After you activate it, find the Square settings, often located under the WooCommerce tab if you have it installed, or sometimes it may have its own dedicated tab. Click on it, and you will be redirected to a screen where you need to connect to your Square account. Click on Connect to Square. You'll be prompted to log into your Square account. Follow the instructions to grant the plugin the necessary permissions to access your Square account. Next, you'll configure your payment settings. Choose which payment methods you want to offer, customize the appearance of the payment form, and set up any additional options like security settings. Finally, test the integration. Create a test product or service on your website and go through the checkout process to ensure everything is working correctly. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Square Payments into your WordPress website. Now you can start accepting secure and seamless online payments and grow your business.